the mode of the mind? Well, when you say mind, there is transaction. Transaction. Mind means transaction. The other is transcendence. I will not talk about transcendence now. Let us deal with transaction. And the question is about the modes of transaction then. That's in effect what you want to know. Because you want to know how the mind is visible to you. So mind is visible in various modes. Aesthetics, beauty, elegance, style. These are all mind. The aesthetic, beauty, elegance and style, it's the mind. The experience of turbulence is the mind, and the experience of harmony is the mind. Well, let's go to another mode of the mind. Anything and everything in transaction, it's a production. That means it was not there and then it is produced. And you are entrenched, you are part and parcel of the production of the transaction. From the production, that means there are many synonyms. It could be manufacture of a transaction. There is a manufacture of a relationship. They say build a relationship. What do they mean by building a relationship? That means constructing. So these words are emphasized. Construction, manufacture, building. So anything and everything has these properties into it of manufacture, of construction, of building inside the production. So these are the mode of the mind which you cannot brush away. You cannot live in a world of only beauty, elegance, appearances and style. These are just appearances. But underneath the appearances, there are mechanisms, there are structures. So you got to attend to the mechanics and structure. There is technology, there is technicality, there is a sequence. So all this working together makes the transaction very safe, secure, stable and steady. Also, the building of the situation, the building of the event, the manufacture also needs a cover of the appearance. The packaging needs to have style. It must have aesthetics. It must have beauty. What you call interface. But underneath the beautiful, stylish, elegant, glamorous appearance, there is a very good foundation. And because the production is dependent on the construction of it, the manufacture of it, the mechanics involved in it, and the technology and the technicality. So all this comes together as mode of the mind, whether it is career, whether it is academics, whether it is your learning ability, whether it is your any and everything about transaction has these many mode. So make a checklist, and whenever you evolve to do a transaction, ensure that in the checklist everything is attended to. So when you ask about the mind, generally go to some people, they have anticipation that this person talking about the mind is an expert. They have an anticipation that this person talking about the mind is a specialist of the mind. Or somebody who has got mastery over the mind. So mastery, expertise and specialist. But many presenters of the mind does not know the construction, the sequence, the operations of the mind. They do not know the manufacture part. They only know the appearance and the delivery through word. They must have read something about the mind and they are representing it in their own method without knowing the operationality of the real author, how he has how he has studied the mind and how he has constructed his content, how the original author has not only understood it but also operationalized his education and made a book about it. So many people who talk about the mind, who appear to you as an expert, specialist and a master, maybe just having read the book is representing it in their own words. So you need to have adequate tools to inspect, to investigate the criterion of this person who's appearing to you very stylishly, very elegantly, talking about the mind. Because the mind craft is in a continuum. It's always to be continued, the crafting of the mind. That's why I would recommend you enroll to the program of Sri Ravi Shankar ji, whom I endorse as a master, specialist and an expert on knowledge of mind in transaction mode. He got the tools, because in today's generation, he's somebody who has got evidence to show about his approach, whether it is social service, whether it is charity work, whether it's education. He has educational establishments, he has information technology company, he has got inroads into construction of buildings, and he has got a product, consumer product that's available in grocery shops. Most of the toothpastes and food products which are of organically manufactured, which is suitable to the nature, suitable to your system. So all this, he has got evidence that his design of how to live well is workable, is bringing result to all the people, all its users. So he has a product called the Breath and Meditation Workshop. And if you enroll to it, you will get some insights how to make that operational as well in your living. And when you do that, you learn to live better. So these are the various mode of the mind and the source from where you can know more about the mind craft from its own master, expert and specialist. And all this needs to be packaged in aesthetics, and only then it becomes trendy. So enroll to such programs and keep asking these questions about what are the mode of the mind in transaction. And it's always to be continued. I will not open the topic of transcendence until you have operationalized your education on transaction using the mind. To be continued in the mind craft.